Good morning students. Today we will read about KTurtle commands. Now first, what is KTurtle? KTurtle is a programming language. It is used to draw figures and shapes. In this language, there is a turtle that can move left, right, forward and backward on our commands. And when the turtle moves, it draws a line. Now there is a KTurtle window. There is an editor window on the left side of the screen. When all the commands that we entered in KTurtle are written in this window, editor window, and in the center there is a canvas and the turtle that appears in the center of the screen. Now first command is center. This command is used to bring the turtle to the center of the screen. Forward, FW. This command draws a line by moving the turtle in forward direction by a given number of steps. For example, if we write forward 80 in the editor window, then the turtle moves 80 steps forward. Backward, BW. This command draws a line by moving the turtle in backward direction by a given number of steps. For example, in this window, we write backward 80. In this, the turtle moves 80 steps back. Next command is turn right, TR. This command is used to rotate the head of turtle to the right direction. Next is TL, turn left. This command is used to rotate the head of turtle to the left direction. Next is sprite hide, SH. This command is used to hide the turtle from the canvas, and if you want to show the turtle again, then you will write SS command, sprite show. This command is used to show the hidden turtle on the canvas. Next is pen up, PU. This command is used to lift the turtle pen up, and now if you are moving the turtle, it will not draw any line because you will use the command pen up. Next, PD, pen down. This command is used to put the turtle pen down, and now if you move the turtle, it will draw the line on the canvas. Next is reset. This command is used to erase everything on the canvas and bring to the turtle to its home position, that is center of the screen. Now our new command is repeat. Repeat command is used to reduce the number of commands to a single command. For example, if we draw a square, we have to write 8 commands like this: forward 100, TR90, forward 100, TR90, forward 100, TR90. In this, first we will forward the turtle 100 steps, then TR90 command turn the head of the turtle to right direction, then again forward 100 command is used to move the turtle to 100 steps forward, and then again TR90 command is used to turn the turtle right direction 90. In this, if we want to draw a square, we have to write these commands, but if we use repeat command, we have to write only one command, that is repeat 4 forward 100 TR90. Repeat command only repeat forward 100 TR90 command 4 times because we write 4. And next, in this way we can also draw other shapes like polygon, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, circles. For example, if we making circles, we will type the command repeat 360 forward 1 TR1. This command draws a circle, and if we draw semicircle, then we type only repeat 180 forward 1 and TR1. Now print command. This command is used to display a letter, number, a word or a sentence in editor window. For if we want to print a message, then we use the print command. Print, and the message that we want to print is written in double quotes. print bracket double quotes in text. Next, print command is also used to perform calculations in KTurtle. It can perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, if we want to add two numbers, we will write print 50 plus 30 and it will print the answer in the canvas. Next, in the same way, we also perform other calculations like subtraction, multiplication and division. Now the next is colors. We can color the screen by filling colors in drawing and change the color of turtle pen. There are two commands. By default the canvas color is white, but if we want to change the canvas color, we will use this command canvas color, and if we want to change the pen color of the turtle, then we use this pen color command. Canvas color is used to set the color of canvas and pen color is used to change the pen color of the turtle. Thank you.